Hi everyone, today we will continue with 29th Pauri of Japji Sahib. Bhagat Gyan Daya Bhandaran Ghat Ghat Baje Nath. Let the spiritual wisdom be your food and compassion your attendant. The sound current of Nath vibration in each and every heart. ज्ञान को भोग बनाओ, दया को भंडारी. घटघट में जो अनहद नाद बजता है उसे ही शंख बनाओ. Guru Nanak continues his message to yogis to abandon empty rituals and embrace God's will. Yogis were so specific about their food and all other rituals surrounding it. Violation of these guidelines were considered to be a serious offense. Nanak tells the yogis to make divine knowledge their food and mercy their attendants. Then, referring to the horn that blow announcing the food, he advises them to hear the unstruck sound, the anhad nath, the vibration of the creation that plays in every heart. Knowledge and compassion are two wings to be mastered in order to fly high in heavenly abode. One is incomplete without other. If a lamp is lit, it does not merely illuminate itself. वह जो दिए की रोशनी दूसरों पर पड़ रही, यही दया है. Unlimited compassion arises when wisdom is born. Let there be kindness in every moment of life. Let your actions serve others' welfare and well-being. ज्ञान भीतर, दया बाहर, दोनों पंखों से ही परमात्मा तक पहुंचने की उड़ान भरी जा सकती. आप नाथी, नाथी सब जा की, रिद्ध सिद्ध अवरा साध. He alone is the master in whom all beings are intertwined. While the search of supernatural power is a false path. वही नाथ है जिसमें सब नथे गुथे हैं. रिद्धियां सिद्धियां तो तुच्छ चीजें हैं. Yogis were powerful siddhas who were deeply immersed in occult powers. But what is the value of magic before God? Magic tricks may fool people and satisfy ego, but it does not lead you anywhere towards self-realization. Exhibition of occult powers makes one away from the Creator. Supernatural powers are second-rate products, as they only nourish your ego. It strengthens your arrogance. सच्चे धर्म की सिद्धि तो एक ही है. I am nothing. Egolessness. He who realizes and knows that he is nothing becomes everything. मैं के विदा होते ही परम तत्व उतरता है. संजोग विजोग दोई कार, चलावे लेखे आवे भाग. आदेश तिसे आदेश, आद अनल अनाद अनाहत, जुग जुग एको वेश. Union with the divine or separation from him comes by his will. We come to receive that is written in our destiny. I salute him, I humbly bow, the primal one, the pure light, without beginning, without end, throughout the ages. He is one and the same. संयोग और वियोग के चाक पर सब घूम रहा, उसकी ही इच्छा अनुसार. भाग लेख के मुताबिक सबको अपना दाय प्राप्त होता. परिणाम बस उसी को है हर जगह. जो आदि है शुद्ध है, अनादि है अनाहत है और युगों से एक ही वेश वाला है. The law of union and separation governs all things. Sanjog means the power that unites you. Viyog means the power which separates you. One truth is that the things that unites must part. Things that are formed are bound to disintegrate. He who understands the truth, he saves himself by going beyond both. He is neither happy with union nor sad by parting. एक ही सिद्धि है, संयोग वियोग से मुक्त हो जाना. Therefore, be patient, be tranquil in whatever is given to you, as it is a part of your destiny. Things had to happen this way and so they happen. फिर शिकायत कैसी? जो होना होता बस वही होता है. उसकी इच्छा का परम स्वीकार ही सच्चा सिद्ध होना है, योगी होना है. With whole heart and soul, I bow myself and salute to the supreme power which is behind the cosmos. His mystic powers are much more valuable than the supernatural and occult powers. My obeisance to God, जो पत्थरों में मीठे पानी के झरने बहा देता, हिम में गर्म पानी के चश्मे पैदा करता. I bow to that wonderful magician, उस महान जादूगर को शत शत नमन. Thank you. That is all for today.